Madam, wait. You will injure her now. You will injure her now.
Come on, stay here.
Madam, wait.
You the rest? Come on, rest. You the rest? Who gave you strength? Oh, you climb my matrimonial bed. Hey, come on, come here. I'm talking to you. Come. See, I'm not like
Madam, wait.
Give me. Wait, you have been sleeping with my husband.
Like, seriously? Your husband has been sleeping with me.
So you were busy opening your stinking leg to my husband?
You should be asking your husband that because he always complain about you.
That I did. Wait. Are you trying to push me up?
Babe, leave me.
Stay here. I'm talking to you. Come on, stay here. I'm talking to you.
The house will contain both of us.
Me and you.
Yes.
Me and you.
It will contain both of us now.
Wait,
why are you struggling?
Couldn't it that this is how you want to pay me back? You purposely came from Lagos just to come and destroy my home? You see this speaking?
Madam, wait.
Now me go come out. I'm done with you. Go and call my husband. Go and call that your boyfriend.
Alright guys, yes, yo, it's your boy Mr. Kel. Who day Ororo. So guys, I'm here with
Chomzy.
So guys, Chomzy has something she wants to share with us that I would want us to hear from her directly. Chomzy, what's going on?
Seriously, I am not happy. I am seriously down. There is this my friend. She's my childhood friend that I brought from Lagos. So this girl, I brought her to my house because she was stranded. So some weeks now, some months now, I have been noticing some strict movements between she and my husband. So when I ask my husband what is going on, my husband will be like, nothing. Then I tried to confront him. He now asked me, are you not the one that brought him to the house? When I asked you to allow her to go, what did you tell me? So as my friend she is hard to me maybe to let her go. I actually don't have that heart to let her go. Out of I want to help her. But right now, I'm seriously suspecting them that I can no longer bear it. So that is why I came to meet Kelly to help me to see if there is something we can find out from her. Let's call her out to see if there is something she can vomit or she can tell us. From there we can know the
Okay guys, so let me not stress her so much. She has already briefed me on some of these things. So as I speak to you, we are actually at her place. This is her fence, okay? So we're gonna be calling her out right now. We just play around with her, ask her some kind of questions. Make we just get some things from her mouth. You understand? Just to get some words out of her mouth. So guys, let's do that. So you pick your phone, call her, make she come. Say you want to see her outside here. All right. So guys, once she's back, we'll start this video again. Guys, if you're looking for where to buy quality products and services, or you're looking for where to sell your products and services online, guys, I want to bring to you edland.com. They are a website where you can buy and sell any kinds of products of your choice. If you need it, edland.com has it. So guys, if you make any post on edland, you just stand a chance to get 500 to 1,000 naira credited to your account, and on a monthly basis as a dealer on edland.com, you would get credited 50,000 naira for being a dealer. Woo! What are you waiting for, guys? Just go to edland.com today and start shopping. Remember, www.edland.com. Start shopping, guys, and start enjoying peace of mind. Let's go. So guys, she's the one coming.
my dear. My dear. Not really.
Okay, hi dear. My name is Kel. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, yeah. Let me stay here. Yeah. So this is my friend, as she is also your friend, right?
I know.
So what's your name?
My name is Uche.
Uche. Okay. So, okay, complete. Um, we actually want to do a fun game with the husband. Okay, and she said you can actually um help us because I asked her if she has any friend around, and she said you were around. So we just wanted you to help us play the fun game with the husband. If you don't mind.
I pray I don't mind. I
Okay,
don't.
it's just fun. We're just trying to catch a little fun.
Okay.
Okay, so
Please do it for me. Please.
Okay.
okay, so you have the husband's number, right? Okay, so dial it.
Yes, I do.
Okay, it's calling. Make sure it's ringing.
The number you're trying to call is not
Call
available.
again. Call again. Save the number as baby. Wow, that's good.
You saved my husband number with the baby.
Anybody
Like
can be baby
seriously.
now, babe.
My husband is baby.
So
Your baby.
anybody can be baby now. Just calm down.
Anybody can be baby.
No, my husband is your baby now.
Hello, babe. What's up?
Okay.
How
I'm
are you?
fine. How you doing?
What's up? I'm good. I'm good.
I'm okay. You did not come back
Fine, yeah.
yesterday.
You know, this work was very stressful to me. I couldn't come back. I hope you're
Okay.
fine.
I want to tell you something.
What was that, baby?
I'm pregnant.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. What are you saying?
You
Like,
did not
seriously,
see
are
my
you?
flow. I'm pregnant.
Oh, hold on, hold on. Wait. Are you joking or what?
I'm not joking. I'm serious.
Babe, this is going to be an issue now. You know my child, God. What if my wife don't hear about this? Hope is, how will you feel?
I don't know. You tell her.
No, oh, babe. You know, this was something we were doing by ourselves, not for her to decide. She's the one that brought you in.
I don't understand.
Wait, is it that you've been having an affair with him before
Are
now or
you having an
something?
affair with my husband? Okay.
Okay,
Because-
okay. Let's just make this thing sincerity
Okay.
and with all honesty. I'm actually
Okay.
pregnant.
For my own husband.
No, is it the one you just called now or the real one? I don't understand.
Yes, for your own husband.
Wait.
Said
You have been
it's-
sleeping with my husband.
Wait, she's
Wait.
actually joking. It's a joke. This call
Wait.
is just a call we made.
I've been sleeping
Right.
with your husband. Fine.
True.
You want to bring it out?
Madam, wait,
Yes.
wait. Don't drag her head. Don't drag her head. Leave her head. Please. Calm down.
I harbored you in my house.
Madam, calm down. Calm down.
I'm actually
I harbored
pregnant
you.
for him. Since you want to make it public now.
Yes, I want to make it public. Yes.
Wait.
You came for me.
Oh.
Yes. Yes. So I harbored you. I feed you. I clothe you. I give you shelter. So the only thing you can do is to pay me back by sleeping with my husband. Stay here. I'm talking to you.
Madam,
Is that
wait.
why you
Madam,
want
wait.
I said stop here.
Wait.
Aren't we friends?
You are his friend with my husband.
You're,
calm
are
down
you?
there.
Wait. I want to understand.
Let me. I'm talking.
I want to understand
I
something.
said
You're
stay
friends with
here.
his
I'm
husband.
talking.
You're doing
Don't
the friendship
ever
with your
try to
husband.
move. I'm still talking to you. Wait, you have been sleeping with my husband. Like
And your
seriously?
husband has been sleeping with me.
So you were busy opening your stinking leg to my husband?
You should be asking your husband that because he always complain about you.
That I did what else? Wait, are you trying to push me up?
Babe, leave me.
Wait, stay here. I'm talking to you. Come on, stay here. I'm talking to you.
The house will contain both of us.
Me and you.
Yes.
Me and
It
you.
will contain both of us now.
Wait,
Why are you struggling?
could it be that this is how you want to pay me back? You purposely came from Lagos just to come and destroy my home?
I did not come to destroy your home. Your home was already at the mercy of you. You're already destroying it.
Like, see, my friend, stay here.
No,
I'm
like
talking
make
to
I
you.
bring yourself
I will
over
slap you. I will
online. Oh.
slap
Calm down,
you.
babe.
I will slap you. Stay here. I will want to slap.
babe,
Don't
see,
move.
see,
You will
calm
not like
down.
the
See,
outcome.
like I told you, it's only a joke. As you can see, we are recording this. It's
There's
just for
no
fun.
joke here. I'm serious. I'm
You are
actually
serious that you are pregnant for my husband?
It's not. No, he's
Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. I'm telling you to stay here. Stand here. I'm talking to you. Stand here.
Oh, yeah, you don't.
You will not like the outcome. See, you will not let the outcome now as you stand here.
Wait, let's settle this
What do you
in.
want me to do? I should abort it or what?
Oh, you are even comfortable telling me that you're pregnant for my husband?
I am.
Like seriously?
Should I be lying?
Like seriously right now?
You brought it out now. I've been trying to conceal it, but you brought it out.
No wonder. I will even the same person I told that I was asking you. Is there something I need to know?
And now you know.
Now I know.
Now you know.
Come on, stay here. Stay here. I'm talking to you. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. I'm talking to you.
Let me pass.
When madam is talking to you, you have to behave as
Madam,
a boy of the house.
Why
You have to
How do you
behave.
know why you brought me?
Are you crazy?
It has changed now.
What has changed?
Power has changed.
See, it's like I have been taking it. I have been taking it seriously with you, right?
There's nothing like you or anything.
What
here.
have you been doing with my husband? Who said?
See, to be frank, I don't just know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you at all.
The girl is even shameless to think.
And you're not even remorseful.
For anything
About what? Okay, what's your own?
Ha.
You didn't tell me that you were looking for a husband.
Okay, what's your own?
You did not tell me that you were looking for a husband. What did you tell me you are looking for?
I've seen one.
You are seeing one. And who is that? Who is that?
You are both sharing him now.
I will send you. I will send you. I don't want to help you. I don't want to help you.
Auntie, leave my hair.
I don't want to help
Auntie, leave
you.
my
Don't
hair.
worry, leave
Because
that
you
to
will
her.
not like the
Touch
outcome.
my hair. Leave her.
I don't want to help you because if I found you,
The girl even dey heartless.
You should go and be asking your husband.
Ask the husband what?
Go and be asking your husband why he will have to choose me over you.
like seriously.
Yes.
So you are even wait. You are looking into my eyes to tell me my husband choose you over me. So you are not telling me that you are telling me that you know what you are doing. You are telling me that you know what you are doing. Is that what you are telling me? Is that what you are telling me?
Madam, wait. You will injure her now. You will injure her now.
Come on, stay here. Come on, stay here. You the dress?
Madam, wait.
You the dress? Come on, rest. You the dress? Who gave you strength? Oh, you climb my matrimonial bed. Hey, come on, I'm talking to you. Come.
See, I'm not like
Madam, wait.
Give me.
You go,
Give me, Abel.
come on,
Madam,
stand there.
Madam,
Stand there.
she's pregnant too. She's
Stop
pregnant.
waiting. I'm the one that will remove this baby. You see this pikin?
Madam, wait.
Now me go come out. I'm done with you. Go and call my husband. Go and call that your boyfriend. Oh, you get mouth to tell me,
Madam, it's
Abi?
okay. It's okay.
Abi?
Madam,
Abi?
calm down.
You get mouth to tell me you are pregnant. You are. Remove this baby by force. This baby must come out.
Are you serious?
Where are you going to? You are not entering this house again. You are not entering this house again. Today, you are going to see all your back. All your belongings will be outside. That's me. Come and enter. Come and enter. You see this house? Come and enter. Enter now. I say enter. You don't want to enter. Don't leave me. Enter. Where are you going to?
No, this girl is smart, man.
Come and marry now.
Leave me alone now.
I say come and marry.
What of this? You want to move the baby?
And then I said I'm doing to remove you.